Greetings everyone, Jetstrike 325 here. Today, what we're going to be reviewing today is the Beyblade X Single Booster Steel Samurai 480 Taper. On the back, we get the product images. Yep, we got the blade, Steel Samurai 480 for the ratchet, and the tip and the bit taper. Let's open this up. There's a lot. It's like this. That's kind of cheating a bit, but that's another way to open it. Sometimes they don't work that well. We got the instructions. We will not be needing those. More plastic. Unpacking the blade out. And last but not least, the parts. The blade is a part, but these are in the bags. We got this one out. And the ratchet. There we go. How many ones we have for Hasbro exclusives? I have 2 of them right now. And here they are. There's Terra and there's Tusk Mammoth. Now we got Steel Samurai. Let's look at its copycat, or the original Leon Claw. This is the original. This is the updated mold for it, but it changes. Same design pattern as Leon Claw. This time we get bumps on the edges. Although it does have some like this, if you look closely. Other than that, it does look cool. Let's put this down. 480. The colors look good. I don't prefer using any of the 4 ratchets at all. Just use a 360, 960, 980. Some of those, anything with no 4s. Oh yeah, here's the QR code if you're interested in it. Last bit, taper. This is the most common one out of these Hasbro exclusives having taper. Interesting enough, but here it is, white. It doesn't seem to work. It's like, let's see, for example, this is the only mist color that doesn't look similar to this. But there we go. Here it is. Let's try them out. Let's see, full view. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. This is what happens with taper on the stadium. It goes wild. Soft launch is so much better. There we go. That's simple enough. Now, let's see. Let's try it out against Terra versus Steel Samurai. Here we go. It just flung out of the stadium. This went flying. Let's try that again. Extreme finish. Steel Samurai wins. Now let's move on to Tusk Mammoth versus Steel Samurai. I have to be careful with this one, because taper goes wild on this one and it ends super quick. No quote. No quote on that. That just ended very quickly. But let's do that one again. This time, no implosion, hopefully. Okay, that ended 3 seconds. Let's do the Chocolate Tomy one. This stadium. The larger one that's better range. Okay, that was poor launching, so here we go. Tusk Mammoth just ran away. Just ran away from the stadium. So let's see. How about versus another one? Let's try. Yeah, let's try Scythe, Cindio. Too short. God. This is too short of a battles on this one. Doesn't give you too much space. Die. Let's try. Now let's try the originator Leon Claw versus Samurai. This stadium's too small. Let's try the top. Let's try this stadium since that's the better ones. Better view, better range. That didn't make contact. Alright, that's not a real battle, but here we go. Okay, that blasted out of the window. Extreme finish. Let's try Unicorn Hell's Hammer versus Steel Samurai. It got knocked out a bit. Not a bit, but it went there. Let's try Incendio's Chain Incendio. Getting low, it's getting low. Going low. Having a stamina battle. Chain Incendio wins. Alright, next up we got Unicorn Sting. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. It has some good contact. And beaten Unicorn Sting. Alright, let's go with round 2. Not the round two that I wanted. Here we go. Let's do this again. Nope, 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 nope. Wasn't even prepared for that. Here we go again. Now that things are slowing down. Tie. Alright, let's do this again. What? Third round. Bunch of wild moves. Unicorn Sting wins. Okay, last opponent. Dronzer? It's been a while since I used Dronzer, but let's do it. What? Did it jump? It just jumped. I think you're just seeing it now. Dronzer jumped. Let's do this again. Go. And finish. Let's go fight Sphinx Cowl. Yeah, Cowl wins. Let's try stamina type. Let's go with Viper Tail. Okay, that was quick. Now let's do an attack type. Let's do Phoenix Wing. Okay, that's too loud. It did not stand a chance. Alright, let's do this one more time. 3, 2, 1, let it. 3, 2, 1, let it. That was so quick. Very quick for these battles. Not gonna lie. What do I think about Steel Samurai? I think it's a good exclusive. Even though it's a copy off of Leon Claw, it does a little bit better than that. But further testings we'll do against attack types. So it's just attack versus attack one. If you're versing against another attack type, I recommend using an attack type bit, not just taper. Other than that, I'm going to do a giant unboxing of all of these bags here. All Hasbro ones. I'm unboxing all of them on a single video. Here they are. I'm going to just do a mega unboxing. It's going to be in 2 parts. One's going to be the unboxing portion, and the second part will be the review portion. So I'll see you guys when that happens on the next video. See ya.